Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, August 7th, 2015, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, believe it or not, we had a good day today. The Dow has taken quite a plunge here, and it was down over 100 points most of the day today. And while it was doing the sell-off, it was really nice because we had absolutely nothing on as far as positions go. While I was doing the sell-off, and then we picked up just two positions on this little pop-up. But overall, I have to say that I think some of the selling enthusiasm for this market is running out, and I think it's becoming, it's safer to be buying it. I think there's definitely a potential making some money here, and we'll just have to see. But today we actually closed out positive $4,000. That was nice, and we're holding just about $3,000 in positive open trade equity over the weekend, and we just didn't have any of the usual horrible stuff that's been happening to us recently. So I am feeling better about the stocks and how things may be going. We'll just have to see. I don't know, but things had a much more controlled feeling to it today. Dow ended up closing down 46 points. But as I say, it was down much harder for much of the day today. I'll show you some of the charts. For once I can say, hey, I got nothing bad to show you. And that's a good feeling because we've had a lot of bad recently. This was something we just got into, and this is Shake Shack again. We've been trading this a lot. It started out terrible, but it's been really good to us recently. We had this pop-up, toward the end of the day. We jumped into this. It took a little slippage on this because this thing was really moving, but it kept going. It just kept going and closed absolutely on its high here, right on its high. And we have $3,000 in open trade in Shake Shack, so that looks real good. This was one of only two positions we have. The other one was slightly negative, but this is why we're showing good positive open trade equity over the weekend. And I'll show you a couple of trades that we got out of. It was really nice. I complained about this one yesterday. This is 3D Corporation, and it had this big spike up. And we'd gotten into it. We got in pretty good with this without too much slippage, but it made this big spike up here and is really pretty profitable up here. And then it pulls back just a little below where we got into it and just wouldn't do anything. And oftentimes when I see that kind of pattern, the stocks don't rally next day. They go down a little, and we end up getting stopped out. It just nothing happens with us. But 3D Corporation pops up again today and gave us a fairly reasonable exit. We got out of that with about $2,500. So that was real good. That felt good. And then I'll show you our outlier. Yeah, we got an outlier. Yeah, you bet. I actually showed this to you yesterday. This is Callon Petroleum Company, and again, this was a stock that's just given us a terrible time. Well, it kind of redeemed itself yesterday, and today I had this pop up. Yesterday I told you it went against us for $3,000, then it just started to climb and climb and climb, and we got out of it pretty much where we were on the close yesterday, but we are out of this with $7,000 positive. I mean, just beautiful, great trade. And so I'm real pleased with that. And again, I talk about this sometimes. I just will reiterate it, is that sometimes I get certain stocks in the portfolio that we just seem to getting hammered in over and over again, and I don't like taking those out, because what happens is you get a series of bad trades. They'll turn around and have a series of good trades, and this is kind of what I think has happened with Callon Petroleum, is that it's making up for a lot of grief it causes. But hey, I'll take $7,000 any day, so that was just great. Anyway, nice end to a terrible week. I guess that's the way to say it. I'm pretty happy, though. I'm going to be working on the website this weekend. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll be back online on Monday.